When it comes to custom builds and restomods, few names shine brighter than Ringbrothers, the Wisconsin-based workshop known for pushing boundaries and reimagining classics in ways most wouldn't dare. At this year's Monterey Car Week, the builders once again stole the spotlight with their latest masterpiece, an Aston Martin unlike any other, one that blends British sophistication with American muscle in a bold experiment named Octavia. The project began with a tired 1971 Aston Martin DBS, a model that itself served as a bridge between the elegant DB6 and the muscular V8 Vantage that followed. While the DBS is beloved in its own right, Ringbrothers saw untapped potential. Their vision? Transform the elegant Grand Tourer into something that feels more like a Mustang GTD in spirit. A car with raw aggression under its skin, but the charm and refinement of a British icon. After an astounding 12,000 hours of work, Octavia emerged as a one-of-a-kind restomod. At its heart is a supercharged Ford Coyote V8, tuned to unleash 805 horsepower. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a 6-speed Tremec manual transmission, giving the driver the kind of control and excitement more often associated with track-ready American muscle than a genteel Aston Martin. The sheer force under the hood transforms Octavia into a beastly machine, one that feels equal parts James Bond and NASCAR hero. But Ringbrothers didn't just stop at performance. The attention to detail in design is jaw-dropping. The DBS's original body has been completely reimagined in carbon fiber, shedding weight while adding a modern aesthetic. The wheelbase was stretched by 3 inches, giving the car a wider stance, while stunning 3-piece center-lock wheels from Regal Design and HRE fill the arches. Behind those wheels are custom 14-inch Brembo brakes, ensuring Octavia has the stopping power to match its tremendous output. Add in Fox coilovers and a Roadster Shop fast-track chassis, and you've got a classic reborn with modern supercar dynamics. The visual nods don't end there. Look under the hood and you'll spot clever touches that tie the build to Aston's heritage. The Coyote's custom valve covers were modified to mimic the look of Tadek Merrick's original Aston V8, with the playful addition of the words Aston Martini inscribed across them, a tongue-in-cheek nod to James Bond's signature cocktail. Even the dipstick handle has been crafted to resemble a martini glass, proof that no detail was overlooked. Inside, Octavia is just as remarkable. The cabin combines billet aluminum, carbon fiber, brass, and fine leather, creating a blend of luxury and performance that feels both modern and timeless. While the original DBS never dreamed of such technology, Octavia includes innovations like multiple cameras and Gentex Corporation's auto-dimming visors, showing how seamlessly Ringbrothers merge cutting-edge tech with classic charm. For Jim and Mike Ring, Octavia represents something more than just another project. Octavia is a combination of state-of-the-art fabrication and imagination. We asked ourselves, what would an MI6 agent drive on holiday? This was the result, said Jim Ring. His brother Mike added, we've combined the ferocity of American muscle with the stiff upper lip of English sophistication and motoring. Octavia is beyond anything we've built before and a celebration of the hot rodding spirit. Unveiled on one of the grandest automotive stages in the world, Monterey Car Week, Octavia stands as a bold statement. It's proof that Ringbrothers are not afraid to blur boundaries, merging cultures, eras, and philosophies into one unforgettable machine. A classic reimagined with American horsepower and ingenuity. Octavia is destined to be remembered as one of the wildest restomods of its generation.